Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You found the AirTag entry in Find My. Start now by confirming Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location are on. Once done, tap the AirTag and use Play Sound to narrow a nearby search. Move slowly and listen. The tone gives immediate position clues. If sound fails, check last seen location and timestamp to decide whether to search the last known area or get ready for precision finding. Make sure your phone's connection is stable before proceeding to the next steps. You're moving into the detailed recovery phase. If you have a U1 iPhone, enable precision finding to get directional arrows and distance estimates and walk slowly toward the readout. If the AirTag isn't nearby, immediately turn on Lost Mode so the Find My network can anonymously update location from passing Apple devices. Once Lost Mode is active, monitor notifications and the item page for live updates, and use the map pins to plan where to search next or when to return to a last. You're ready to conclude the search. When map or precision finding shows close proximity, play sound and sweep common hiding spots with a flashlight while listening for chirps. If location updates freeze, toggle Bluetooth and mobile network, or restart your iPhone, then recheck Lost Mode settings. This often resolves stale data. Finally, if the AirTag appears far away or you suspect it's moving without permission, stop searching alone, contact local law enforcement, and reach out to Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.